This is the 7th time they've set the chairs back in place.
Three, two, one.
All right, there's more chairs blowing over. Oh, they're taking the cover off the Eternal Flame. That is not going to stay lit, maybe. Oh, is that a, that's a hang glider. That's a hang glider. Oh, the wind's, oh!
Take off, just take off.
Oh, the chairs are moving again. This is YouTube, folks. Oh, look at those chairs moving by themselves. Oh, okay. All right, let's set them back up, folks. Yes, thank you. All right. Now they will not blow over if we walk away. The key is to walk away, and they'll stand put. If you watch the chair, you want us to sit. Oh, that was moving. That was moving.
Let's just go sit in those two.
Okay.
Pay the taxes. You get time.
We're holding down the chairs.
We're holding down the chairs. We're doing all that we can.
You got it.
You guys should lay on them.
We can't hold them all down. But
Good job right there. You guys are hired as official chair sitters.
oh no! No! Oh. We're good.
It's wedding chair boot camp.
What's this all about?
What? Oh no. I don't want to do this.
How's it looking from over here, Jay?
It looks kind of bad. Kind of bad.
Okay, I give up. We're done now. Our work here's through.